Hey, what's up everybody? It's Kyle, and in this video, I wanted to make a video about confidence because I recently had a sales agent come up to me the other day and say that she actually confessed to me that she lacked the confidence in doing the job, and that's what she felt was holding her back. And she said she wanted more confidence like she felt I had. So it got me thinking, and I really wanted to make a video on confidence and a couple things behind it. First, I wanted to talk about what is confidence, why you need confidence, and then how to get it. And I'm not boasting by saying this, but I'm confident about this. It's someone who's has the experience of selling $20+ million in multiple consecutive years of real estate, running a real estate team and company, having real estate partners, investing in real estate, having at the same time and in the same year 3 high-profile acting jobs, making a script that is in high producers' hands right now that are taking a look at this, investing, making multiple real estate investments, stock market investments, and other investments. So guys, it's coming from someone who didn't always have the confidence, and I've done some retrospective thinking to realize how I got to where I am today. So guys, before we go into this, take a second and it would really help me out if you just smash, you know what, don't even smash, just gently tap the like button till it turns a different color. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I would greatly appreciate that. And then also subscribe if you have not done so already, and hit the notification bell so you will get notifications every time I post a new video. And if you're on Instagram or Twitter, follow me there as well. I post there pretty much daily, so you will get other aspects of my life as well. And all right, guys, so without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, so first, what is confidence? That's the main question. Well, I'm going to read the exact definition that I looked up to find what is confidence. It is the feeling or belief that one can rely on someone or something, firm trust. So a couple things with this. First, the key word in this definition, I feel, is trust. Trust encapsulates a lot of different things. Trust in yourself that you can do the job. You need trust in your audience, your person that you're selling to needs trust that you can do the job. And how do you get the trust? How do you build the trust? How do you build trust with other people? Think about it. It's over time. It's over time because it's a repeatable actions that are done. That is what confidence is. Okay, so if you think about that, then why is it that you need confidence to be successful and to be able to do the job? Well, this is why you need confidence, because everything relies on that trust. Think about it. If you have trust that you can do the job, your audience, say you're an actor, your casting director has trust that you can do the job and that you're going to make them look good when you're on set. The producer that hires you, the director that hires you, they have trust, firm belief, and faith that you can do the job. So in order for them to trust you, they need to have that confidence in you. The same way with if you're a contractor and a homeowner is hiring you, they want to have that confidence in you, that trust that you're going to be able to do the job. Your audience, trust that you're going to be able to give them what they are looking for. If you're a sales agent and you are selling someone's house, if you're a real estate agent, that homeowner is paying you a lot of money to be able to trust you, that you have the confidence that you're able to get the job done. So that's why you need confidence. So you need the confidence in yourself to be able to communicate that very well with your person that you're trying to sell to. You need that trust that you are able to do the job, that you are able to get the job done, and that you are able to do it well. Okay, so now that brings us to how to get it, how to get confidence. Well, I'm going to give you a 3-step process, and this is just something that I have known from experience and that I've thought about. And the first step in how to get confidence is to have the belief, to trust in yourself. So the first thing that you need to get the confidence is to trust in yourself, to have that feeling, to trust yourself. If you think you can do it, there's many people that think they can do it, but then they start second guessing themselves. They feel like they can act, but then they start second guessing themselves. They think they can be a great real estate agent, but they lack the confidence and they second guess themselves. So the first step into it is to know and trust that you can do that. With that feeling, you can do it. Have that trust that it's inside you somewhere, that you will be able to bring it out. You don't have to have the confidence at first. If you know and think you can do it, trust that feeling first. You don't have to have the confidence behind it. You just have to have that trust that you are able to or going to be able to do the job. Yes, you hear those things, fake it till you make it. It's really hard to fake confidence. If you've ever tried it, it's very hard. You start getting a little weird and it just doesn't work. So that's the first step. Trust that you can do it. If you have trust that you don't have the confidence and you won't need the confidence at first, but that you can do the work. And then that's all you need to start. So number 2, learn the skills. So say you're a real estate agent and you want to be better, and now you've already trusted yourself that you can do this. You think you can do this, so you take the first steps, initial steps first to do it, action. So now you start learning the skills. So now you get into like this agent that approached me and doesn't think they have the confidence. She got the license. Now she's saying, I don't think I have the confidence, and that's what I need. This is great. That's self-awareness. That's okay. You don't need the confidence at first, but now you're starting to learn the skills. So now dive into the skills, and you have to learn the skills from, well, you don't have to, but it's better to learn the skills from a mentor, somebody that's done it before. She may not do it the exact same way as me, but I definitely know how to do it. So I can teach her how to do it a couple different ways, and then she can start figuring out and taking bits and pieces of that. Immersing yourself in, I suggest highly a mentor or a coach. So you're in acting, you go to an acting class, learn from a coach, you learn from a teacher. You want to go to business, stock trading, you learn from a mentor. You have to have a mentor or a coach. And then you can also watch YouTube videos. There's millions of stuff out there on Google right now. Books, immerse yourself in books, learn the skills. That's the second step. And number 3, dive in and just experience it. Trust it. Trust that you will have that confidence and build that confidence up over time. So if we go back to the definition of confidence and we took out that keyword, trust, dive in. Trust that you will get the confidence in doing so. So here's an example of real estate. In real estate, I took the first initial steps, got my real estate license. Say that, trusted myself that I could do it. I was doing rentals at the time and I wanted to get into high dollar sales. So I felt like I needed a coach. I needed to learn how to do it. I needed a mentor. So I got myself into coaching. Now I got a blueprint of something to say to a owner trying to sell their place. And now I wanted to try to talk myself into getting hired. Well, trust me, it was not easy to do, to say the least. To get on the phone and to talk, it was so many thoughts that went through my head about why this guy wasn't going to hire me. I don't have a track record of sales. I was talking myself out of it. Instead of just being quiet and doing it, I was able to at least work through that. So at first, I had no confidence. I was just not being able to call these people. I would talk myself out of it at first, of why the reasons why this guy wasn't going to hire me and this was a mistake and they didn't like me and all this other stuff. Luckily, I pushed through that. I had the initial trust, I learned the skills, and then I just pushed through it and dove in and dove in and dove in. And you know what I can do now? Literally in my sleep, I could call a homeowner and tell them exactly why, with full confidence, why they should hire me, why they need to hire me, why I believe that they need to hire me because of my track record and multiple times that I have now trust in myself because of examples that I know real world things have happened and proved in a positive result. It's ingrained in me because I've done it so many times. Maybe it wasn't as easy as first. Maybe I was shaky at first. Maybe it wouldn't work out, but then one thing would happen and it would go perfectly. And it went the exact way that I had faith that it would happen and I dove in and made it happen. Now, I piggybacked that and catapulted that and used that to propel me to the next one. And then all of a sudden, now I have a track record of 20 things, then 30 things, then 100 things that it's proven. Trust in myself with experience over time. So now that's built up and I have the confidence about it. So that's just one example in real estate, but you can apply that to anything you're trying to do. All right, so guys, one more thing with confidence, and I didn't feel like this was a actual step that you had to do, but one thing I wanted to touch on before we're done with this video. I'm not gonna push on any kind of religion. Anybody is able to do anything they want. However, I do firmly believe that having some kind of belief in a higher power possibly could help with this. If you have not read or watched the video, The Secret, it's something that I've learned along the way, and I'm not a huge proponent of this. However, I think there's truth in this, meaning like, if you believe that you can do something and you may not have the confidence in it, but you can imagine doing it and start to imagine the feelings of what it would feel like if you did do that. The feelings, not intellectually, but you almost can walk around like that. And since you've already thought about it and felt what it felt like, you have the confidence in being able to do that a little bit better than if you didn't and weren't able to visualize that and have that confidence. That's something that's a little bonus I would look at. It's about having that faith. We went back to the definition of confidence, having that trust and that faith that someone's looking out for you, that the universe, whatever it is, whatever your thing would be, that is watching your back and you are able to do it and it's going to align for you. So it's all about that, and that's how you build the confidence, is just doing it over and over again. And I will say that yes, I may seem like a confident person, but that's also built up over time by constantly teaching myself, by constantly trying to self-evaluate, self-learn, be well-rounded, and just with all the things that I'm doing, I'm pretty confident about all the things that I've accomplished. So now I'm a pretty confident person. However, there's aspects of my life where I may not be confident in, but I still know how I could get the confidence in that certain aspect. And that would even make me more confident of a person. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you found any value in this video. If you did, I would love to hear your comments. So please leave a comment below, whatever it is. Tell me it was a good video. Tell me the video sucked. Tell me anything, but I would love to hear it. And if you would like to see me do a video on anything else and had any other topics you were interested in, please leave a comment below. Guys, don't forget, the one thing I ask is to smash the like button and also subscribe if you have not done so already, and hit the notification bell so you will get notifications every time I post a new video. And if you're on Twitter or Instagram, go follow me on there as well. I post there pretty much daily, so you will get other aspects of my life as well. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day.